We'll guide you through how to make notes in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want a simple and efficient way to organize ideas, school notes, or work tasks in one place. Notion is powerful and flexible, but its features can feel overwhelming at first. So having a clear, step-by-step guide makes it much easier to get started and stay organized without confusion. Start from your desktop by opening Google Chrome, then go to Notion.com. Sign up for a new account or log in using your email. Enter your email address and password to access your workspace. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on the Create a New Page icon to begin a fresh note. This will open a blank page where you can start building your notes right away. Type your note title at the top of the page so you can clearly identify what the note is about. Then click below the title and begin typing whatever you want to take notes on, such as ideas, reminders, or detailed information. As you write, you can type a / to open the formatting menu and explore different block options that help structure your content in a cleaner and more organized way. For example, type /H1, H2, or H3 to add headings and organize sections clearly. If you want to create lists, type /bullet to turn your notes into a bulleted list. To track tasks or action items, type /to-do and press Enter to insert checkbox. If your notes get long, type /toggle to create collapsible sections so your page stays neat and easy to navigate. You can also highlight any text to bold, italicize, underline, or even use Notion AI for additional help. To organize deeper, type /page and press Enter to create a subpage inside your notes. This allows you to structure notes within notes for better clarity and improved organization. These steps help you create well-structured notes, and you can also explore templates in the Notion marketplace to match your needs. With regular practice, you will become faster and more confident, and your notes will be easier to review, manage, and use effectively every single day.